Hello, my name is Royston and my project is on success of bank marketing campaign. My dataset consists of information about the clients, their age, their job, their education, and I have to predict whether they'll subscribe for the bank term deposit or not. So I have built few classifiers whether a particular client will subscribe to the term deposit or not. So these are the libraries which I have used, and this is my dataset, just the head of the dataset, and these are the variables. Like there are 45,211 observations with 17 variables. There is age, job, marital status, education. There are around 7 numerical variables and 10 factors. And this is the summary of my dataset, where I can see the min-max of the age, the types of jobs, etc., and my prediction variable y, either yes or no. So as you can see, there are few numbers of yes. Now, well, detecting outliers. So I have used age as the factor here. As you can see, the age above 70 is considered as outliers, but as you know, above 70 age is not an outlier, so I am considering them in my data set. Well, I have categorized the age in teenagers, young adults, adults, and senior citizen, and I have replaced my target variable yes or no with 1 and 0. 1 is for yes and 0 is for no. So I have done correlations between all the variables with respect to y. I have used pair.panels. As you can see, I have done it in 4 parts because in one go it was consuming a lot of time. And I have selected only age, job, marital status, education, and other only 10 variables to predict y, depending on their correlation value. There are no missing values in this dataset, but there are many unknown values, so I have considered unknown values as any, and then I have plotted them. As you can see, those red patterns, those are the missing values in housing, education, and job. And to impute the data, I'll be using the package mice, where it will impute the data with predictive mean matching method. Well, after imputing, when you plot the data, you can see there are no missing values. And I have visualized some other factors as well. The model and the evaluation. Well, I have used CA tools to create partition for my dataset into training and test set in terms of variable y, and I'll be dividing the train and test set into 80-20 ratio, 80 as train and 20 as test set. So my first model is logistic regression model, and you can see this is the ROC, and my accuracy for the logistic regression is 89.43, and the area under the curve is 0.8642, which is quite good. And my second model is C 5.0 decision tree, and this is the summary of my decision tree. Now this is the classification of the decision tree, and the accuracy of my decision tree is 89.48, and the area under the curve is 0.6556. It's quite less than the logistic regression. And my next model is random forest model, and These are the importance of each predictor variable in the dataset. As you can see, duration, housing, and p-rays have a maximum value, and this is the importance of the model. And my accuracy for the random forest is 89.92, while the area under the curve is 0.6497. And this is, I've done something like when you increase the tree size, as you can see, the accuracy also varies. My next model is support vector mechanism. Over here, the accuracy is around 89.71 and the area under the curve is 0.6145. And my next model is neural network model, where the accuracy is 89.26 and the area under the curve is 0.6412. Over here I have done the comparison for all my 5 models. As you can see, the accuracy and the area under the curve is highest for the logistic regression, and followed by the random forest and decision tree. Well, AUC will not select the model that achieved false positive. We'll only select for the models that achieve false positive and true positive rates, which is not guaranteed in the accuracy. Well, I tried assembling the models as well, but there was no success in it. So the citation and my conclusion is like duration has a very positive effect on the people saying yes. This is because the longer the conversation on phone, the higher the interest of the customer will show to the term deposit. And even agents may target clients of job categories of housemaids, service and technicians, as these people are very adverse on taking risk and they look for some safe deposit of their saving with fixed return. And banks should decrease the outbound call rate and use the inbound call rate to pitch in intelligently the ideas. And I'll run some codes. This, yeah, it ran. Yeah, this one. For accuracy, I have used confusion matrix, and for the area under the curve, I first plotted the ROC. Well, it's a big data set, and the time. Increase accuracy, mean decrease. All good. Thank you.